Chinese companies are dominating the market for global initial public offerings. So far this year, new listings in China have raised almost 5 times as much money as in the United States. The Where China reports, broad policy support for corporate offerings in strategic sectors and recent reforms to speed up the pace of new listings have helped Chinese companies raise more than $19.5 billion in nearly 80 deals, according to financial data provider DealLogic. In February, China's security regulator announced it would make it easier for companies to list on domestic stock exchanges by simplifying listing requirements and reducing the amount of regulation required for companies to go public. The changes went into effect last month and have seen a surge in investor interest in new initial public offerings under the streamlined system. By comparison, in the 4 months to the end of April, the number of U.S. IPOs fell 40% year over year, with 56 projects raising just over $3.8 billion. The poor performance in the U.S. comes against the backdrop of a lackluster 2022. Rising interest rates, stubbornly high inflation, and the recent turmoil in the U.S. banking sector have dashed hopes of a recovery for companies on Wall Street. Experts said that as a result, Chinese investment banks jumped ahead of their U.S. counterparts in 2022 to dominate the rankings of top IPO banks, a trend that continued in the first 4 months of the year.